Hi everyone, and you are welcome to Special Methods or Dunder Methods in Python OOP section. In this lecture, I'll give you a quick overview to what's going to be covered in this section. So let's get started. Before we start talking about lectures and learning objectives, let me ask you a quick question. Let's say you have a variable a equal to 1, and you have another variable which is b equal to 1. And after that, I say c equal to a plus b. If I ask you what's c, simply you will say it's 2. Because we know that when we have two variables from the type integer, and when I am using plus operator, simply I am adding one number to the other. Okay, let me ask you another question. Let's say you have object 1 from a dummy class, whatever class you want, and you have another object from this class, and I say c equal to object 1 plus object 2. You will say it's weird, because I don't know how I can add one object to another for the dummy class. And if you try to use this syntax, and if you try to do that in your Python code, actually you will get an error. Why you will get an error? Because addition or plus operator is not defined for your class. So the question now, is there a way to define the behavior or the action that should be done when I am using an operator like plus with two objects from my class? The answer is simply yes. And usually we do that using what we call special methods or dunder methods. And being able to use and override these special methods will be the core of this section. First of all, I'll start this section by a quick introduction to special method. After that, we will start to learn about different types of special methods and how we can override them. So we will learn about initialization and construction, operators, class representation, type conversion, attributes, sequences, callable objects, and context managers, special methods. And at the end, I'll end this section by a quick summary to summarize all what we are going to learn in this section. By end of this section, you should be able to understand the exact meaning of special method in Python OOP and when you have to use them. You will be familiar with most type of special methods in Python. And actually, you will not only be familiar with these special methods, but also you will be able to override these methods, use them, and customize their jobs to fit the problem being solved in your program. So stay tuned and be ready because we have a lot of cool stuff to learn in this section. And that's all for this lecture. Thank you very much for your time, and if you are available, join me in the next lecture.